So I had a dream last night. In this dream, someone that I really cared about passed away. And I knew as I was dreaming that it was a dream, but I still felt the loss and the grief of losing this person, even though I was telling myself in the dream that it was a dream. So when I wake up, I still feel this overwhelming feeling of grief and loss, even though I've woken from the dream and I knew it was a dream. Um, your dreams come from your subconscious. Your subconscious mind does not know real from imagined. It just knows it's there. So um, on the other side of that, I had another dream a couple nights ago where I was with the siSTARs and my family at the cabin that we went to for our retreat. And in the dream, we were all having a good time just doing family stuff in different areas of this cabin. And um, I got a call that said that Prince was coming over to look at the house. And he came. He came. Prince was in my dream. And he came and he was walking around and looking. And I'm like, hey, Prince. And he was like, hey, this is a really nice place. And he gave me a hug and he was just walking around. And I'm telling everybody, hey, y'all, Prince here walking around looking at the house. And I was like really excited because I like Prince. And it wasn't a scary dream. He was just there. He was just Prince. But I woke up from that dream like really happy and like really excited that I saw Prince, even though it wasn't real, even though it was just a dream. So I say that to say this. Um, when you speak stuff either verbally or to yourself, your subconscious does not know that it's real or imagined. And you're going to feel the emotions of those experiences, even though they weren't real. So try it on yourself. Just find a quiet place, um, sit back, and imagine yourself on an island, on a beach, with a drink in your hand, and um, whatever makes you feel serene. You will eventually start to feel the peace that you're looking for in that imaginary scene because your subconscious is getting, okay, she's at peace, she's serene, let's give her that. So just watch out for what you say to yourself, either verbally or internally, because you go through those emotions regardless of whether it's real or you're just joking around. um, that way you can attract the wonderful things that you deserve in your life. Thanks, ladies, for listening. Have a good day.